guys, Dr. Livy here at Optimal Health and Wellness Chiropractic Center. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I just wanted to share with you guys some fun little things we got in our health and wellness store because we are obsessed with anything health and wellness, not just for our family, but for our patients and their families. So today, so excited to share with you guys our immune kits. Yay, so fun. Okay, so in these little kits that we have already for you guys, you're going to have your vitamin D, your Immunomax, and your zinc, right? So everything antibacterial, antiviral, in one little convenient kit for you and your family. So cool. So when you open it, you have your Immunomax chewables, good for anybody. So these we're going to have a lot of your vitamin C, vitamin D, some zinc, elderberry, so everything kind of to bubble wrap the inside of your body. So you could definitely give these to anybody. They're really, really good. I take these, I always have taken them since I work with the general population, so especially now more than ever, you're going to want to load up on these. So that's the first thing we have. The second one is our Super Zinc. Dun, 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 dun. This is antioxidants as well. What's really cool about zinc in terms of viruses is that it's going to stop virus replication. So if your body comes into contact with any sort of virus, you'll definitely want to load up on the zinc. It's just going to help cut the intensity and duration of whatever bug you're fighting. So pretty cool with that. Good for preventative as well for sure. And then the last one we have in our little kits is our vitamin D3. This is probably my go-to supplement, I would say for sure. You have a vitamin D receptor on every cell in your body, so you want to make sure you're definitely supplying your body with that. It's just essential for pretty much everything. So load up on the vitamin D. That's going to stop viruses from even coming into your body. So pretty cool in that aspect. So we made everything super easy, super convenient, and just really, really healthy for you and your family so everyone can stay safe and healthy during this time. So come check out our kits. They're super cool. And they're really effective, and we are so excited to have them for you guys. Stop in the store next week. We can chat more about anything you guys need to know. Hope everyone's doing well. We can't wait to see you soon. Bye.